Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt I've been in for my last two videos because I'm recording them all at once. What can you do? So this video is not about Van Morrison, who actually has a current album out, which I will not discuss because it's not good. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. This is a unboxing video for couple of new Elton John products. This year marks the 50th anniversary of my favorite Elton John album, Madman Across the Water. I know it's a favorite of my friend Randall Nelson, and also well loved by Glenn Kellaway, Rich Strickler, all those guys. So I'm excited to have gotten this. I actually received this while I was on vacation. It was at my door, and actually, thankfully, one of the leasing officers here on my apartment grounds was kind enough to put it in my apartment for me, because one piece of this unboxing will be for vinyl, and I did not want vinyl to be sitting out in my breezeway in 100-degree humidity. I've heard that it's not good for records. I don't know. Maybe people are telling me lies. But anyway, I've got two things here. I need to jump right into this because it's a lot to show you. The first thing is this brand new vinyl of Madman Across the Water. Look at that. And so you can see 50th anniversary propeller vinyl edition and 2016 remaster cut at Abbey Road by Bob Ludwig. You have the original 9 tracks: Tiny Dancer, Leave On, Razorface, Madman, Indian Sunset, Holiday Inn, Rotten Peaches, All the Nasties, and Goodbye. So there's that. There's the original album back on the denim, the Blue Jean Baby. And let's see about cutting into this thing. So it looks like, I don't want to rip it unless, oh, here we go. So it opens from the top. Let's go ahead and get the vinyl out of there, maybe. So the strip, the sticker, is taking its sweet time. Like I said, humidity is a monster. There we go. Maybe. Come on, son of a gun. So there's that. Looks like there's a little spot. Looks like it's got a little spot on there. Hopefully that's nothing. Whoops. It comes with a free digital album. Not happening. So there it is. There's the rear. I'm excited to spin this, hear what it sounds like. And there's nothing special about the sleeve, except for, it's clear and the vinyl slips back into it. But anyway, there is that. Now, I also received this guy right here. This is what I'm excited about. This is the 4-disc box set, CD box set. There's the hype sticker. You can see what's on it. And then there's the back. All the discs. So you have disc 1, you have the original album and some bonus tracks, including a live radio broadcast of Indian Sunset. the original version of Madman Across the Water with Mick Ronson, which is also on the Tumbleweed Connection CD. Rock Me When He's Gone, Leave On, the mono single version, and Raise Your Face extended version. You have the demos on disc 2 of all the tracks. A few of them are, there's a couple different ones. Like you have a couple for Rock Me When He's Gone. And let's see, you have the Madman Across the Water 1970 piano demo and the 71 piano demo. And then you have disc 3, which is a session for BBC Sounds for Saturday, in which he does 8 of the 9 tracks, with the exception of All the Nasties, but the other tracks he does. It says it was taped on November the 11th of 71, and it was transmitted in April the 29th, 72. And then you have disc 4, which has a 5.1 mix of Madman Across the Water, original version featuring Mick Ronson, 5.1 mix of Madman Across the Water full album, Sounds for Saturday, Blu-ray with an audio visual, and then the Old Grey Whistle Test, Blu-ray audio visual. So that's exciting. So let's just jump right into this. And it came torn, which is kind of obnoxious, but it might make it easier for me to open this puppy. And I'm not going to try to keep it in the shrink. I'll keep the hype sticker, but nothing more. There it goes. So it's kind of got a texture on the denim. So that's kind of cool. So let's start here. This is going to be the music. So it comes in this, similar to the back of the full box. Some cool pictures there of Reg. I love that picture. It looks so cool. Had the world at his fingertips. And then, like a lot of these packages have, you have the individual pages with the discs. Let's just take out one and see what the CD looks like. So they're all labeled. I love that font on the back. And you have these on the the DJM record label. Kind of cool. And where did it go? There she is. So I'm assuming the other ones look like that too. There's the music. Not much else in there. And then, we have this first. What is this? Oh, very cool. Look at this. Look at that. Awesome poster. Oh my, that's so cool. I don't usually break up box sets, but that might actually have to be framed. Alright. The book. And again, like I said, this is my favorite Elton album. And I'm not going to show you everything, but that's where it starts. You got your table of contents. You have an intro by Elton. It's pretty short, so there it is. Elton says, Madman is the final album in the Gus Dudgeon, Paul Buckmaster orchestral trilogy following Elton John and Tumbleweed Connection. For me, it is the most adventurous of the three. Buckmaster's arrangements soar above the songs that Bernie and I wrote after our first trip to America. I am immensely proud of what these recordings achieved musically. They gave me a sense of purpose, and all three were recorded at Trident Studios, which was the studio to be in the early 1970s. It was thrilling and nerve-wracking, which is what was needed in the infancy of my career. The ensuing albums featured my band for the first time and led us on a different path. Madman Across the Water closed the first chapter. Pretty cool. Here's the second page with Bernie and Elton. I've got to hurry up. This video is going to be long. Bernie says, Madman Across the Water was our first wholly American album, that is, from our perspective of the U.S. as visitors, and what we drew from the country as inspiration. Tumbleweed Connection, although completely American, was historical and captured another era. It was also written before we'd set foot in the U.S. Madman was completely soaked in first impressions and comes complete with characters inhabiting its geography. I actually still think it's the most American record we've ever made. It's an overview, a time capsule of that era. And for me, is still wonderfully evocative. The album is like an American road trip. So then you have this, which is the story of Madman Across the Water. Let's just see. Some pictures of Elton there. All sorts of essays. They've got pictures of posters, playbills, all that good stuff. Music for Tiny Dancer. An outline of the recording studio for Madman. So there's the piano and then all the players. Kind of cool. Then you have like handwritten lyric sheets. Goodbye is there. All the Nasties. Rotten Peaches. Let's see. Oh, cool. So the album cover itself, it says original pieces used for the 1971 LP cover art. The denim jacket belonged to art director David Larkham, onto which his then wife Janice, embroidered the lettering. And then there was a denim jacket made for the rear, which had all of the song titles on it. The jackets were then photographed for the front and back cover and given to Elton, who had them made into a cushion, which producer Gus Dudgeon bought at Elton's auction in September of '88. So there's the cushion. How cool would that be? You walk into Elton's house and there's that cushion back in the '80s. You have Elton performing there. Let's see. There's Elton with Nigel and Dee Murray. Of course, they played with him for years and years and years. Let's see. Just really cool stuff. All the lyrics are written out there in artsy formats. Really well done to the Elton camp. You have a timeline of the events around the recording sessions in the 70s. It goes several pages through 70 to 72. There's some more denim. And just very cool. I'm excited to read all this. Really, really good stuff. More of the patches on the denim. And then there is the poster, which comes with this set. So, very cool stuff. I'm really excited to be listening to this. And there's the last picture. So, there we go. I kept it under 15 minutes. I'm going to try to anyway. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you're going to get this, if you've listened to it, all that good stuff. I'm excited to delve into it. So in the meantime, y'all be good. Take care. Talk to y'all real soon.